How to fix Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone, then first what you need to do is open up your App Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with your search. And here you need to search for Snapchat. After searching, if you have any updates on your Snapchat, just simply go and update it. After updating, you need to go back and open up your Snapchat. You should use a rear-facing camera, which generally has higher resolution than the front-facing one. Tap the camera switch icon, which will be on the top right, to ensure you're using the rear camera for better quality snaps for photos or videos in low light situations. Consider turning on the flash in the snap camera interface. Tap on the lightning bolt, which will be on the top right side. That adds an extra light and potentially improve image quality. Other solution is to close background apps. Multiple background apps running simultaneously can consume resources and potentially affect your camera performance. So close any unnecessary apps before launching Snapchat. You should also ensure that you have solid internet connection. Snapchat relies on a stable internet connection, which is Wi-Fi or your cellular data. For optimal camera functionality, a Wi-Fi connection can lead to blurry or pixelated photos and videos. Ensure you have a strong signal before launching the app. And this is how you can fix your camera quality on your Snapchat. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.